Have you ever wondered why a walk in the park can lift your spirits? Research shows that nature profoundly impacts our mental health. Being surrounded by greenery reduces stress, improves mood, and enhances overall well-being. When we immerse ourselves in nature, our brain releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that brighten our day. Studies indicate that just 20 minutes outdoors can significantly lower cortisol levels, our body's stress hormone. Nature also fosters mindfulness, allowing us to live in the moment and appreciate beauty. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, step outside, embrace the trees, breathe deeply, and let nature work its magic. Subscribe for more videos.